We are all learning new things every day. We learn from reading books, watching videos, and within and outside the classroom. But how well do we remember all of the new things we read, see, and learn? What goes on inside our heads while we're reading and learning is extremely important and determines how well we remember what we learn. The smartest learners throughout history, like Einstein, Shakespeare, and Marie Curie, mastered reading and learning memory strategies that helped them become the successful people they were. We can learn from their strategies. Many connections are made inside your brain when you read, see, or hear something new. By structuring these connections into organized chunks and associating them together using text structure organization, you can remember what you learned better. By remembering what you learn, you can become the next Shakespeare. Let's take a closer look at one of the most commonly used text structure techniques. So how do most learners train their mind? Two text structure techniques commonly used together when remembering specific events are sequence and description. Let's see this in action. Whenever you learn about something that involves a series of steps, events, or follows a specific order, linking words like first, second, next, then, and last are used to describe the different stages of the story. Detailed descriptions are used as well to help set the scene. Imagine reading about the life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly first starts out as an egg. The small, round butterfly eggs are laid close together on a leaf. About 5 days after the eggs are laid, a tiny worm-like creature called a caterpillar will hatch from the egg. At this stage, the caterpillar eats all the time and grows really fast. Once the caterpillar is done growing, the caterpillar makes a brown or green camouflage chrysalis to protect itself. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar transforms. Finally, the caterpillar comes out of the chrysalis as a butterfly. Here we can see the sequential events of the story. A butterfly first starts out as an egg. About 5 days after the eggs are laid, a caterpillar will hatch. The caterpillar eats and grows. The caterpillar makes a chrysalis to protect itself as it transforms. The butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. Apply the sequence text structure by organizing these sequential events into a linear memory structure. In this format, you can see that the first event is the first chunk. Then you see the next event. You can continue this until you place all of the sequential events in a long list in the order that they occurred. There were also many detailed descriptions that help paint the picture of the story. The eggs are very round and small. A tiny worm-like creature. The chrysalis is mostly brown or green. You can use the description chunks to help remember the details of the story. Note that this is not the most effective text structure, but it is the most common, and can be helpful when remembering sequential events. Now you know, so get out there and do it! The next time you are reading or learning something new, listen and look for sequence linking words like first, second, next, then, and last. Then take action. Picture the connections you are making in your brain and organize them in order into sequential and description chunks. Who knows, maybe you can become the next Shakespeare. So, do you want to become a master learner? There are 5 text structures that are useful in organizing almost all information you read. We just learned about sequence and description. Watch more text structure videos to learn about comparison, problem and solution, and cause and effect.